Here I have this Kenmore sewing machine. It's electric, and it comes with this stuff here, wherever it is. And I was looking at the top. Got a little dirt on it, little wear. But I'm sure somebody cleaned that up. But yeah, need to sell it. It's not in perfect shape or anything. Been sitting out here a little bit since I got it. But if you're interested in that, yeah. I also got this Pirelli bicycle. Yeah, I think this is the Olympic one. I'm not sure, but looks like it because it's got that there. This collectible piece here for those that are interested in bicycle. It's in as-is condition. Tires are low. I haven't tried to pump them up. A little rust on the thing. But if you're interested, the number's right there. Give me a call. Got a lot of things here we need to move. You got this Union 76 can. That's about a third full of grease. Still got the original like bearing grease in it. It's pretty cool. Then I got this sign, which is probably a good 7 feet anyway. Give you an idea next to the truck there, just how big it is. But it's just a painted tin sign. It's older, but very, very displayable, and we got it priced right, so you know, give us a call on anything you see. Old chair for like your porch or something, just to put a flower pot on or clean up as you will. Now these I think are motorcycle riders, you know, boots, like racers boots. I don't know nothing about this kind of stuff. Looks like some kind of fox or something on there. But these are pretty heavy duty. Got steel toe tips on them. And it says something on there. Forma, whatever that is, Forma. But you can see they're in pretty good shape and they cleaned up. And I got this parts bin. It's a 2-drawer parts bin. It's in pretty good shape. The drawers work. So if you're interested in that, let's say, you can give me a call. My name's Dan. Thank you.